Well, let's go. But I'm Gerald, and I can always have just what I want. She's the baddest, I would love to flaunt. Take her shopping, you know Yves Saint Laurent. But no, she ain't with it though. All because she got her own dough. Boss, if you don't know, she could never ever be a broke.
What's up, Cam Troops, aka Kamal Squad? You already know who it is. It's me, Cameron Amani. I'm coming back to you guys with another YouTube video. And in today's YouTube video, I will be teaching you guys 10 things you need to know before starting a YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Drop down in the comment section below if you have any other videos you'd like for me to do. Let's get right into this video. I'm gonna go straight into it. Do not start YouTube for money. You can be the biggest channel in the world. You can obviously have money on YouTube. You can actually have like 100 subscribers. As long as your channel is verified and monetized with ads, obviously you're gonna make money. My channel is obviously making money, but that I didn't start YouTube for money, so I don't want you to start YouTube for money because the money comes really slow. It can actually speed up. Like me personally, from the growth of my channel, I've seen my money speed up, and then there's months where money can really slow down. So you can't really depend on it if you're not as consistent. We're gonna get into that. So I just want to let you guys know, do not start YouTube for money. That's the main thing I want you guys to understand. Number 2, YouTube is very expensive. To be a YouTuber, it is very expensive. And I don't know if you knew that already, but you should know because you have to get your camera. To get your camera, you gotta have your tripod, you need your lighting. It's very expensive. Like right now, I'm using my bedroom lighting because the lighting I have, I just gotta change the bulbs and things like that. We're not gonna get into that. But yes, YouTube can be very expensive. So I want to tell you guys that you don't have to have an expensive camera when you start off. You don't have to have the expensive tripod when you start off. I went to Best Buy, and still to this day, I'm still using the same tripod. I spent $75 on, it came with a tripod, it came with camera lenses, it came with the wipes to clean my camera, it came with the packages. I bought an entire bundle for 75 bucks, and I record off my iPhone. And I mean, it is what it is. I still produce content. I didn't go spend money, which I am looking for a camera, obviously, and a different tripod, obviously. I didn't go spend that money right away, but when you start to build your fan base or your subscriber base and you know that's something that you really want to do, then that's when you can start spending your money. Or wait till you get your first YouTube check is when you can start spending the money. But YouTube is very expensive, and I feel like you don't need to just splurge all your money at the beginning. Like, YouTube can be very expensive. It's very expensive, so do not go spend your money. My first personal YouTube video, if you were to watch it right now, it's very ugly and raggedy and ill, but I recorded on Android, and to this day it has over 100 views, and I make money. I still make bank off that video, so it doesn't even matter. So it doesn't matter what I recorded with, as long as I did the video right, put it out right, as long as I did it, it's still making money. So it doesn't matter what you record with, as long as you get that check, you feel me? As long as you do what you do, it doesn't really matter. But YouTube can be very expensive. To tell you guys, before you even start your YouTube channel, obviously you don't do it for money and it's expensive. YouTube is a lot of work. I'm very lazy. I might just get procrastinator tattooed across my forehead. I'm a huge procrastinator. Yes, YouTube is a lot of work. It's very, like I said, it's hard, complicated, annoying, frustrating, overrated, underrated. But again, it's exciting at the end when you get your success. Like, I was so thrilled to reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm so close to I don't even know what I'm trying to say. That's how excited I am. I'm so close to 2,000 subscribers. We're like at least 200, 300 something away. So go ahead and subscribe right now. But yeah, besides all that, YouTube is a lot of work. It gets very stressful. When it comes to uploading, you have to upload every day. Me personally, I'm still in high school, so when it comes to making sure I produce content, I'm gonna try to do it every day from now on. And when it comes to editing my videos and lost files, YouTube is a lot of work. So if you're prepared to be stressed and if you have a lot of patience, then YouTube is for you. Yes, YouTube is a lot of work. So again, now that YouTube is a lot of work, I'm gonna tell you guys, to be a YouTuber, you must have patience. You must be really patient, because when it comes to editing, your video has to export. I don't know which way you guys edit or which way you're going to edit, but the way I do it, my video has to export. Once I edit, I have to finalize it, and it takes some time. Even 2 minutes is too long for me, so you have to be really patient. YouTube, oh my God, the uploading, when you upload from your computer or whatever you do to YouTube, it takes very long. It takes like, it can go from 2 minutes to 20 minutes. You have to have patience with YouTube. You may keep getting your clips wrong. No telling how many times I shot this video. I may shoot this video completely through and not like it. So you have to be really patient, and that's pretty much key. Be patient. The 5th rule to something you should know before doing your YouTube channel. Plan your channel, because me personally, I don't upload all the time because I run out of content. I don't want to stick to the same content, and that's my problem. Plan your content, because if you don't know what you're going to put out, then you're going to be stuck. And then while you don't know what you're putting out, somebody else is putting something out, and it puts you behind. So make sure you plan your channel, and you should be very successful at what you do. Another thing a lot of new YouTubers don't know is you can schedule your uploads. Okay, so me personally, let me look at my my inspiration board. So I'll shoot YouTube videos on Wednesdays, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Say I don't feel like shooting on Friday. I just got home from school. I'm tired. I don't even want to think of YouTube. So that means if I know I'm gonna be tired on Friday, that means on Wednesday I'm gonna shoot at least 6 videos. Again, that goes back to step 5, planning your channel. So I can shoot 6 videos, come in, what do you want to say? Anyways, I can shoot at least 6 videos a day, and I can put them all on schedule. And that way my uploads are scheduled, and that way it comes with planning my channel. To me, a big factor for things you should know before having a YouTube channel, step number 7, would be support. My parents are obviously okay with me having a YouTube channel at this age. When I was 8, I had a YouTube channel. They knew about it. I mean, obviously they recorded for me then. The difference is I can record for myself now. So obviously my parents are okay with me having a YouTube channel, and they support my YouTube channel. My friends obviously know I have a YouTube channel. They support my YouTube channel. There's a lot of people that I don't know around school that support my YouTube channel, and it's okay. So make sure you have support when it comes to your YouTube channel, because if you don't, you're going to be very lonely, and it's going to be very hard because nobody's going to give you tips on how to grow your channel and promote your channel and boost your channel. And support is really a big factor when it comes to help on your YouTube channel. Another thing, even big YouTubers, not really big, like, okay, 40,000 subscribers. A lot of people fail to realize that there's a lot of help out there. There's a lot of help when it comes to your YouTube channel. There's a lot of videos that may not work. Like, this video may not work for you. A lot of videos may not work, but there's a lot of things out there that'll help you grow your channel. I know the biggest one that helps me grow my channel is Tubity. Tubity is very helpful. It helps me grow my channel. I'm not even going to talk about what can kill your channel, but I know Tubity is a great source that can help you grow your channel. They show you how to tag your videos, and that's a whole nother video. But there's a lot of help out there, and you should go look for it. Just go to Google and search up how to grow my YouTube channel. Yeah, there's going to be videos. Don't watch the videos. Actually read the articles, because there's a lot of help out there to grow your YouTube channel before you actually start it. And most of them actually really work. Another thing I think you should know before starting your YouTube channel is to keep track of your success. Me personally, when you go to the About on my channel, you can see all of my success. And it just makes you like, wow, I reached this so quick, and it just makes you want to thrive for more. So yeah, keep track of your success. And the last thing I want to tell you for number 10, which is not really one, but I want to tell you good luck, because there's a lot of people out there that has the same ideal as you. And there's a lot of people I've known that started YouTube channels, and they ask for my support, and I support them, and eventually they just disappear from media and they just quit. So a lot of people will start, you'll hang on, but eventually you'll quit. So I don't want you to be that person. So good luck to you. Thank you for watching this video. If you stuck all the way through, you realer than ever. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Drop down in the comment section below if you have any other videos you'd like for me to get into. It's me, Cameron Amani. I'm signing out. Thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video.
Yeah.